for me to come out of a relationship. It's very big thing. Got involved in a very young age, decided, taken such big step. And then when I realized it's a matter of two people, and when two people are not happy, we should just, respectfully move ahead and uh, एक growth अटक जाती है आपकी. So you need to understand that. I've seen my mother doing a lot of struggle, and I've seen my mother fighting with a lot of things that जो उसके हक की है वो भी उसे उसे नहीं मिलती थी, उससे दूर हो जाता था. And women will always take revenge when it comes to her kid or when she's hurt.
Rashmi Desai, thank you so much for joining me on Telestars Talk. Everybody wants to know now, what next are you doing?
Thank you for having me, first of all, on your show. And what am I doing? Of course, to be very honest, I never talk about my ongoing project and the project I'm going to be part. And I'm talking about that is because till the time it's not going on the platform, I don't like talking about it. So I don't discuss my work that way.
Yeah, I'm exactly not asking you to name the project. I'm asking you what exactly is the route that Rashmi Desai is now going to take. Because as far as I know about you, is that you are planning to do a lot of web shows, probably movies also. Now, what's the line of route that you're going to take?
Part of television since a very long time. I have my own emotions attached with it that I'm never going to leave. If I have any good project, I would love to be part of it. But as an actress, I think this is the time I can explore also a lot of things. And web series, of course, I would want to be part, and I am looking for good scripts because you get opportunity to play different roles. You get opportunity to explore yourself as an actress. एंड बहुत सारी ऐसे चीजें होती है जो आप मिस आउट कर जाते हो लाइफ में कि अरे आई विश आई कुड डू दिस आई कुड डू दैट. देयर इज आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट वन फिल्म दैट इज संजीव कपूर का. ही प्लेड 9 different character in one film, which is very very challenging. I think Priyanka also did one Rashi. तो मुझे ऐसा कुछ चैलेंजिंग हो ना तो मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And my aims are little different now to do. So I want to be people who are watching me. I want to be one of them and I want to play that role.
So the next step, Rashmi, is not going to be essentially a daily soap.
If I get some interesting project, I would love to do it, like I said, but it all depends on the script and the director.
I'm taking you back, and the more I read about you, the more I see that you did a lot of regional films,
I started my career with Bhojpuri films.
Yeah.
Because I was studying and the situation, it was all situational. But when I started, I never looked back. And I was preparing myself for the other platform itself. But then, when I started working, I actually had so much support of my co-actors and the director that I have worked with. And I started my own interest also in it. So मैंने यहाँ तो सोचा था choreographer बनना है या air hostess बनना है, but बन गई actress. So now I can play a lawyer, doctor, air hostess, anything, whatever I feel like doing now. So yeah, that feel like great. But जब शुरुआत की थी तब मुझे नहीं पता था कि what is film, what audience like, how to connect with your audience, how it works. The film is actually a different medium, though it was a regional medium. And I started working with all the Bollywood actors like Parvez Khan, Ravi Kishan sir, and then Asha ji. All these are Bollywood actors. And my study that I have done acting and all, मैंने कहीं से नहीं सीखी, मैंने इन्हीं से सीखी है. I was actually raw. And एक जर्नी जो मेरी शुरू हुई थी उससे मुझे समझ में आया कि एक्टिंग के अंदर बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप डे बाय डे एक्सप्लोर करते हो. Like the day every day you get new change in your life. Same way you get lot of changes in the acting world also. So it's very challenging. So yeah, वहाँ से शुरू किया and then I started doing TV and never looked back. Actually, it's Ranjan Singh sir, whom I did my last project with, Nagin. He's the one who got me into TV.
Okay. बट
My
वहाँ
first
जब आप
project
भोजपुरी
happened.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में काफी अच्छा कर रहे थे, एंड यू नो आई मीन most of the girls would have, you know, the ambition to go into Bollywood. So didn't you have those aspirations?
You know, मुझे एक चीज ना यूनुस परवेज जी उन्होंने मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी चीज बताई थी. I was hardly 17, 18 और मैं उनकी बहुत लाडली थी. तो उन्होंने मुझे लाइफ में 3-4 चीजें बहुत अच्छी समझाई थी. दैट यू नो, never get addicted to fame. And be ready for the change. And the utmost important thing, he always used to tell me that you know जो आज आपके साथ है वो कल आपके साथ नहीं होंगे. So it's very unpredictable. तो जब आप फिल्म में आपकी चाह बहुत होगी कि आप फिल्म करो, आप टीवी करो, आप ये करो, आप XYZ करो, आपको बड़ी बड़ी चीजें करने का हर किसी को मन होता है. That is a motivational thought that will keep you growing. It will help you to grow as a person. But you are the only person who should know that you know where you have to stop and where you want a turn, right, left. So never get addicted to anything in life except your own self, which is called discipline and ethics in life. So वो मुझे तब नहीं समझ में आता, but no, today I realize that you know that change brings lot of multiple thoughts and it gets you a lot of insecurity at the same time. You are the only person who understands this, how to accept it.
Fair. So you went along to TV, and the fame which you got with Ravan and then Uttaran, of course, and Dil Se Dil Tak. Do you miss that today? Because you know what I'm trying to ask you is, in those two serials, especially Uttaran and Dil Se Dil Tak, you were like the most recognizable face.
Thank you.
When you go out. वो एक अलग दौर होता है, you know, people run after you for autographs, and is it still the same today?
Yeah, it is indeed, but you know, it's something I would say that I have got all these things because of Uttaran, to be very honest. And it was amazing for me because of my director Nandita Mehra and my co-actress my Nani who used to play. Because of them, I think I was the only one who had very heavy scenes and all. और ग्रे शेड था जब मैंने ये प्रोजेक्ट लिया था. I was into double mind that नेगेटिव नहीं करना, मुझे भी हीरोइन बनने का शौक था. But then this heroine was very interesting than the other actresses. Then सारी लड़कियां अच्छी दिख रही है, but यही लड़की है जो अच्छी भी है और बुरी भी है. She had about shades. So I didn't know that I'm going to receive so much love and affection from the audiences. And the plus point about that role is, you know, मुझे बहुत सारी opportunities मिली थी as an actress के मैं उसमें और चीजों को बदलाव कर सकती थी, उसे और तरीके से खेल सकती थी, तो वो मुझे अच्छा लगता था. बाकी दिल से दिल तक was actually it's a normal housewife routine, but more practical role till now, till today that I have played is only Tapasya.
So that's quite good, because what I was asking you is, when you are in the
people recognize Tapasya was the best role that I have got. I think in Indian television only I say always this thing कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि इतना अच्छा किरदार किसी को प्ले करने मिला है आज तक.
That's quite good, because what I was asking you is, when you're in the face every day, the adulation you get is different, but you say that you still get that same adulation.
Yeah, and the best is when I go and meet my audiences personally, अगर कहीं बाहर जाते हैं तो वो लोग देख के चौंक जाते हैं, यार आप तो बहुत छोटे दिखते हो. Because she had a daughter, she became old, she had a husband, and became a grandmother. So she had her own entire journey from the childhood to the end. So people still think that, you know, अच्छा ये तो ऐसे though Big Boss actually cracked it, but at the same time when they see, they have multiple questions. Because इतने साल से काम किया है तो बहुत सारी चीजें उनके माइंड में आती है. Quite interesting.
You say that the adulation is more or less the same. Would you attribute it to also the fact that you did Big Boss last year and were in the face again and every drawing room? every evening?
Yeah, of course, yes. It has given a lot of things, and I think it was a platform to reach my audiences, and they got to know in real that how Rashmi is. Though they knew my name earlier, also Rashmi Desai. But you know, when you do television, they only recognize your character name and they recognize you by your role that you're playing. But in my case, it was very different. I was blessed to that you know my audiences used to love me so much. My dance, my comedy, everything that I have done, they have accepted me very beautifully. And through Big Boss, they got to know a lot of things. So yeah, that the genre they had in mind helped me to crack that thing, and I'm back to my younger this thing rather than being a grandmother in their eyes.
The next question is, of course, related to whatever happened to you in Big Boss, and it came as a blessing in disguise. You have said this in not so many words exactly, but you have loved and lost not just once but twice. I mean, you had a marriage which didn't work out. How much did it affect you, and how did you fight this out? How did you overcome it?
I think the first time I was shaken badly. I didn't wanted it to happen. I took my own sweet time. For me to come out of a relationship, it's very big thing. Got involved in a very young age, decided taken such big step. And then when I realized it's a matter of two people, and when two people are not happy, we should just, you know, respectfully move ahead, and एक ग्रोथ हाँ अटक जाती है आपकी. So you need to understand that. जब आप खुश रह के unnecessarily आप अपने आप को भी दबा रहे हो, आप किसी और को भी खुशी नहीं हो आप साथ में रह के, then there is no point being together. So I chose to take the exit, and yeah, I very respectfully we came out. And the second was, you know, बहुत hard time के बाद मैंने कोशिश किया था. Not that I tried talking to people, but you know, this was the second time. It took me a lot of courage to come out and say that I'm into a relationship and all, because that mind is not ready to I'm still having that fear. Then also I had जब सारी चीजें बाहर आई, so I'm blessed actually. It was like I earlier also I said, it's only because of Salman sir and few friends I have. नहीं तो मैं बहुत खराब परिस्थिति में होती है ना. Blessed, I feel that I'm blessed. जब आप अच्छे होते हो, अच्छी नियत होती है, आपके साथ सब अच्छा ही होता है. And that time was very difficult as a woman. You to understand that you know what to do now. Your basic support system is only shaken. You don't have the clarity. You don't know exactly what you're looking for. What are the plans you had? Your future plans were like it's destroyed. So I actually thought that you know मैं तो actually बिखर गई हूँ, मुझे पता ही नहीं मुझे life में अभी करूँ क्या. And to gather myself, I was in such position and the place where people only look for the benefit and they just want to see their survival. And in that position, you have to think and sit and do. आपको पता ही नहीं आपको क्या करना है, आप directionless हो चुके हो पूरे. I think Big Boss in a way helped me also to give that time. वो एक time भी मिला, मैं अकेले थी, मुझे समझ में आया, I had more clarity, and then I moved on in life. But yeah, the beautiful thing, I did not speak ugly about anybody. I did not speak anything जो भड़ास थी वो भड़ास निकालने के लिए नहीं निकाली मैंने. हाँ, मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया, मुझे भी नहीं लगता. मैंने शो में भी मैंने कुछ मेरे हिसाब से मुझे नहीं लगता. Lot of people have their own perceptions and their own judgment, and which is quite fair. Not everyone is going to love you. And yeah, but after coming out of that house, the world is different, and I've seen lot more difficult situation. Like I have everything, house, family now, touchwood, and whatever you dream that you aim to have, I have everything today. But there is only one question left after the Big Boss. I've learned during this COVID that am I still safe? So that moment I still realize that कि मैं तो वापस back to square one आके खड़ी हो गई that कि यार अब COVID आ गया. So life always give you googly which you really need to understand.
But when you thank Salman and a few others who, were your support system, are you thanking Salman for what he told you on screen, or did he also keep in touch with you, or you kept in touch with him and he kept, comforting you?
Salman sir, actually he's a genuinely very, very nice person. And whatever he did it for me. Whatever few friends I have, they're not actors, but they did it for me. And I don't think so that I am liable to give clarity or explanation to anybody, how my bond is with them. Of course, they felt it and they did it. And I think I am safe today because of them. He went out of the way and he did it for me. इससे सुना है और आई थिंक आधी इंडस्ट्री को भी पता है, बाहर के लोगों को भी पता है, वो जेन्युइनली दिल के बहुत राजा आदमी है. एंड ही इज लाइक दैट. ही इज अ किंग. उनको जो सही लगता है वो करते हैं. एंड वो मुझे काफी समय से जानते हैं. मैंने and I'm glad that the entire family also supported during my difficult time. So yeah.
Would you say that you're not looking back at life at all now in these two respects?
In terms of what? I did not understand.
I mean, those memories and all you just cleansed yourself completely.
See, it's life, and life is like a clean slate. Every day you have to write it, and sometimes you write something good, and sometimes you write something bad and wrong. Not with the intentions. You're gonna wake up with a good intention that कि आज अच्छा करेंगे, आज कुछ अलग करेंगे, आज कुछ create करेंगे. But in that journey, whom all you meet in that journey, what all you do, it all matters that how the reaction comes. Good, bad, it's with you for your entire life. You can't even erase it. You can't delete it. So might as well live with it.
In this regard, whether it's personal or sometimes professional, when people start writing and judging you, as you said, there are people who start judging and say कि रश्मि का ही दोष है. They jump to conclusions. How do you feel?
होता है. बहुत लोगों को आज भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. बहुत लोगों को बहुत कुछ जानना होता है. And whom are you going to give clarification and the explanation, and whom all are you going to give?
Yeah.
So you do what is important for you and what is necessary for you, because you're not walking alone. You have people with you. You have your family, your loved ones, and of course yourself. When you are low, nobody is going to come and tell you that, darling, we are there. Nobody is going to come and even tell you that, okay, how are you feeling? Till today, I had 2 days back, I had huge argument with one of my very, very close friends. And like, every time you're telling me I'm doing this, that, phalana, dhimkana, chimkana, you never ask me that how am I feeling? What am I going through? How am I doing? Is it all okay? क्योंकि इंसान को जो चाहिए वैसा हर कुछ मिलता नहीं है. आपको या तो उसके लिए काम करना पड़ता है, मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, या आपको बनाना पड़ता है.
You have to strive for it. Yeah.
Yes. उसके लिए you have to be with a very solid mind, and I think I am with a solid mind. Very strong, single, solid, standing. Half of my life has been always there in headlines. फिर भी जब मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया ना, मैंने क्राइम किया ना, मर्डर किया ना, मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया, मैंने किसी को ठगने की कोशिश नहीं की है, बेनिफिट्स नहीं ली है, तो मैं किस बात से डरूं? तो कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातें, बीच ना जाए रहना.
How much has the return of your mom in your life? Now she's a constant factor in your life, and I'm sure that she's all the time supporting you, and you are like.
She is.
How much has that helped on day-to-day basis?
A lot, to be very honest. I have been raised by a single woman. My father left us at a very young age. Left us as in like when I was hardly 10 years old. He left the world only. And before that also, my mother has seen a lot of difficulties. The marriage life was not very easy for her. It was not at all like a fairy tale or something like that. I've seen my mother doing a lot of struggle, and I've seen my mother fighting with a lot of things that जो उसके हक की है वो भी उसे उसे नहीं मिलती थी, उससे दूर हो जाता था. And women will always take revenge when it comes to her kid or when she's hurt.
I remember the story about her that you had expressed once that she went with you to some filmmaker who had tried to play mischief with you and slapped him.
Yeah.
Does that happen now? Is she wary of who you're talking to, whom you're meeting? Is she the indulgent parent even today?
Yes, I still remember my soul sister Jivita, which half of the people are aware of. Jivita is like my she's not my relative, which I always say she's my soul sister. मुझे आज भी याद है कि दिल से दिल तक की शूट के दौरान ना मेरे यहाँ ना स्टिचेस आ गए थे और मुझे शूट छोड़ के भागना पड़ा था बिकॉज बहुत ब्लड निकला हुआ था और वो किसी ने हेडलाइन दे दी थी, आर्टिकल बना दिया था, and it came into the paper. My mother and I had a huge fight during that time. We were not talking, and when she got to know, she called out Jivita and she said that अगर मुझे नहीं बताया मेरी बेटी कहाँ है और कैसी है तो तुम लोगों को कोर्ट तक लेके जाऊंगी. So when it comes to me, I know that I'm her entire world. भले कितना भी नाराज हो, but मुझे कोई कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा because मुझे पता है कि वो ऐसे आ जाएगी तुरंत बाहर. तो बचपन से लेके आज तक I have always said that कि मुझे कभी किसी चीज से ज्यादा डर नहीं लगा क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैं बाहर लड़ूंगी. फैमिलीज में लड़ाई भी होते हैं, ओपिनियन भी होते हैं, हर कोई आपकी रोज बनेगी नहीं, आपकी कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आप हमेशा you have your own point of view and your vision. Now I'm grown up, I'm a woman, I'm a lady. So हो जाता है. आज भी हम लोग सुबह सुबह हमारे बीच में एक आर्ग्यूमेंट हीटेड हो गया था. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा इट्स पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे फैमिली डज मैटर. वो खड़ी रहती है, अगर मुझे कुछ हो भी गया था तो वो आएंगे ही आएंगे.
So even today, she's your security, she's your support, she's your spine.
I think she's done all her life. I think I'm her security now. I am taking care of her and I would love to do that. And जब हमारी बातचीत भी कम थी, हम लड़े थे, तभी भी मैं करती थी क्योंकि यार दुनिया में आपको सब मिल जाता है, माँ नहीं मिलती. और माँ जैसे भी मिल जाती है, मासी भी होती है, बट आई डोंट लीव देम. मैं बात ना करूं, मैं नाराज भी हूँ, मैं चिढ़ भी जाऊं, बट आई कांट लीव देम.
आपने कहा कि जब लोग आपको जज करते हैं तो कितना आप एक्सप्लेन करोगे, इन अ वे लेट इट गो ultimately eventually.
Yeah, I explain to the people who matters to me.
Yes. So I want to ask you here, that being a celebrity, when you go out and I mean almost every alternate day you're written about what you're wearing, how you're looking. What happens then if fashion critics do not like what you have worn or how you're looking?
मेरे साथ बहुत होता है विक्की, because at times I used to shoot round the clock. I used to do three shows at the same time. मतलब घर में जाती थी 2 दिन बाद. Mother used to send me the dabbas and all, food बहुत problem होती थी. And that time it was like peak of my career. I've been always in trend that Rashmi Desai had worn something which looked really bad. क्योंकि शॉपिंग करने का टाइम नहीं था और वो तब दौर ऐसा था कि स्टाइलिश थी नहीं, तो अब आ गया है. तो मैं बहुत बार ट्रोल्ड हुई हूँ बाय मीडिया सेइंग दैट वेरी एवरेज लुकिंग, बट क्या करूँ, टाइम देखना है, समझना है. एंड पीपल whom you work with who put a lot of hard work, you can't neglect that. For me, being there is more important than me dressing up, doing things. Yeah, so I think मेरा पर्सनली होना ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है देन मी लुकिंग लाइक अ डॉल एंड गोइंग एवरीवेयर. वो सब.
बट ऐसा होता है कि कोई पर्टिकुलर ड्रेस आपकी क्रिटिसाइज हुई एंड मे बी 1 बार या 2 बार एंड देन यू डोंट वेयर इट आफ्टर दैट, यू स्टॉप वेयरिंग इट?
नहीं, मैं फिर भी D2 में पहनती हूँ. जो कपड़े मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं वो मैं नहीं छोड़ती. I don't care who thinks what, because मैं हार्डली 4 घंटे सोती हूँ. और मेरी लाइफ ऐसी है, and I'm like a tomboy. I like wearing shirts, the long shirt. और मैं कपड़े लड़कों के पहनती हूँ पर्सनली. ये तो मैंने अब पहनना शुरू किया है. शर्ट और वो लॉन्ग टी शर्ट्स होते हैं ना एक्सेल साइज के, वो पहनती हूँ और झूड़ी बनाती हूँ. एंड आई लव ड्रेसिंग अप लाइक दैट. एंड स्नीकर्स पहनती हूँ. एंड आई कैन डू व्हाटएवर आई वांट टू डू. एंड आई एम वेरी एडवेंचरस. मुझे बैकपैक करना बहुत पसंद है. मुझे अगर स्पोर्ट्स, मुझे अभी बोल दिया कि अच्छा चलो अभी जाना एसुस वर्ल्ड विथ माय ऑल सिक्योरिटी एंड ऑफ कोर्स सेफ्टी एंड एवरीथिंग, मैं चली जाऊंगी. आई लव डूइंग ऑल दैट, प्लेइंग थिंग्स, डूइंग एक्टिविटीज. मैं हमेशा रेडी रहती हूँ. तो मैं कभी आपको शूट के बाद ये मिलूंगी नहीं साड़ी और सलवार में. बहुत रेयर होगा जब मैं ऐसे रेडी होके जाऊंगी.
Clearly, you have spoken your mind, and thank you so much for being on this Telestars Talk. A big thank you to you from the entire team of E-Times.
Thank you so much for having me.